What's going on, guys? Well, sad moment. Real sad. That's it, guys. That's it. No more mining. Can't believe this day came. Almost. So I have to leave some wattage running. So I'm leaving this rig on in order to maintain my load average for the EV rates here at my house. But that's it for now, anyway. Not even the fans are on. It's all off. Just kidding. Here's my rig. There's my gold shells. My two CK boxes and my mini Doge. They live here at the facility now. Mining's not dead. Obviously not. Is mining dead? No! So, they are here, guys. I didn't stop mining, of course, as you may know. Here's all my stuff. You're all freaking awesome. Catch you all the next one. Made you look. Peace out.